Okay, Jeremy, this is the front of your visual field. We're going to show you how to take out and replace the floppy drive and the hard drive. So normally, you can grab two fingers right here and just pull, and it'll come out just like that. So if you can't, and you'll pull from the bottom out, there is a little clip. Do you see how there's a hook on the bottom of this? If you lift this up, Dean, if you could lift that for me. There's a little hole right there. And what you do is you take a Allen wrench, put it up there, squeeze up in there, and then pull it. That releases that hole. From here, you're going to use a 2.5 and a 3-inch Allen wrench. 3mm, excuse me. Gonna have a screw there, and one here. Once you take these out, I just took them out ahead of time to make it a little faster. Once you take these out, yours will not have this, but you simply take it out, and all you have is a data cable right here and a power cable in the back. On this side, you have a power cable and a data cable. Notice the data is coming out of the top on the floppy drive. That's important because you can put it in upside down. It won't wreck anything, but then it won't work. So make sure data is coming out of the top. So I can get that in there. The ribbon cable's coming out of the top, and that's it. Plug those back in, stick this back inside, put in your 3 screws, and you're done.